viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to clear your search history in Instagram. First, open Instagram app on your mobile. Tap on search icon present at bottom of the screen. Now, tap on search bar present at top of the screen. Now, tap on the option See All present at right side of the screen. Tap on Clear All. Again, tap on Clear All. Now, your Instagram watch history got cleared. Thank you for watching the video. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.